Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at 5 functions to know right in Microsoft Excel. Yes. So we're going to see the different types of function that we should have known. And we're going to be learning this afternoon, right? Very important here, right? So I'm going to take time, go through it little by little that you can actually see exactly what's going on. The first one is how to use flash fill. Yes, very important. Next one is how to calculate using Alt and equal in Excel. Using the fill series in the sheet. Yes, so we're going to actually look at that. How to use the freeze pane in the sheet. Editing pie chart in the sheet. It's very important how you're going to do that. All right. So the first thing that I wanted to do, definitely, you can come right here. We're going to create a Excel sheet by right clicking. Notice when right clicking, bring up this small dialog box. You're going to come across and go all the way down. This is Excel, so you're going to click it. Otherwise, if you have it pinned right here, you could just click and go. All right, so we're going to right click again and open it. Otherwise, you can double click and open the sheet. Definitely open the sheet. So this is the sheet. All right, so we're going to be looking at what we're going to do again in the sheet. All right, very important. So the first thing you want to use the flash fill. All right, so we're going to use the flash fill. All right, I'm going to put some random name right here. So like I would say no. And then I'm going to put this name. Look at it carefully. And then I'm going to come down. And I'm going to put the next one right here. All right, I'm going to put one more there. All right. Yeah, actually, all that. Let me bring it up some more that I can actually see that much clearer so far. All right, good. So we're actually getting somewhere so far. All right, good. I want to put one more there. Just right here. You want to go up at top, we're going to right click. Up at top, we're going to right click. We're going to click on insert. We're going to shift down this cell. Shift down this cell. All right, so that's going to write name right here. All right, we're going to go across here. We're going to write first name. We're going to go across again. We're going to write last name. All right, good. Now you have first name, you have last name. What I wanted to do, I want to stretch right here along left side. Bring it across and stretch it across. All right, good. So now we have all the names now. So we want to use the flash rate. So the first thing you wanted to do, looking for the last name right here. So the first thing that we wanted to do is just click right here. And then we're going to type the word Brown. And then you click on the bottom again and then you click back on it. Now when you do that now, what you wanted to do definitely, you want to come up here to the word data. Right there, when you click on data, you're going to come right here. So this is the flash fill. You're going to click flash fill. If you notice, all the last name appear right here. So I'm going to do the first name. So when I do the first name, I'm going to come like that, click and then click again. Click on data, go to flash fill. Right, you notice all the first name appear. So that's what you do, the flash fill. So this save you 1 ton of time. So if you have 1,000 names or whatever cover across, this is one of the features that you can actually use. So that's why you must know this particular feature. Take a minute how to calculate using Alt and equal. All right, so very important. So we're going to put some random number right here. Yes, put some random number. Guys, remember we want to calculate using the Alt and equal. Right, some of you might not familiar with that, but you're going to learn that this evening right here. So we're putting random number right now. All right, good. So you're gonna click right there, and then we're gonna block everything, including right over here. So you're gonna look on your keyboard, you're gonna see ALT, which is Alt, and then you're gonna see the equal. Right, so you're gonna look for that and press both of them together. Right, if you notice right up here, when you press Alt together, if you press Alt and that, and you get that particular number. Right, what I want you to do is to hold down FN key, right, and Alt, and then equal. Right, if you notice I do that, you notice everything calculate up right here. Yes, it's very important. So let me do that again. Like this, and block everything over here. Right, if it's a desktop keyboard, you just need to press the Alt and equal. And you can also do it on laptop, but some laptop you have to hold on FN key. Right, like my one I have to hold on FN key plus the Alt, and then I hold on Alt, FN key and equal together. Right, so if you notice, this come up again. You have to move it. Right, let me put back the number again. So that is something again I have to pay close attention to. Right, so hold along the FN, the Alt, and equal. Right, you notice? There you go. Right, so that's exactly how you actually do that one. Right, so the next thing that you're going to look for now is the fill series. Right here. So all we're going to be using the fill series is this. All right. So for instance, so right here, we're going to put 1. Right, so if you come right here, notice put on a plus, and you come like this and go down. But if you notice, it become P1, P1s, in order for that change, you come right here, you notice that little thing you call the autofill option. Now you click it. Now when you click it now, if you notice right here, it's a fill series, you want to click on that. If you notice, it actually changed, but there's another way you can do it. All right, you can say 1, you can arrow, you say 2, and you go back up like that. You're gonna put the cursor upon it and block it. Now when you block it, you're gonna put the cursor right here back again, and you're gonna draw it come down the line. Just like that. You know this? So this is exactly how you use that particular fill series right there in Excel. Alright, definitely. So the fill series. Now we're going to be using the freezing pane. Alright, very important. Another thing that you need to look at. Alright, so for instance, now this particular row are right up here, you want to freeze. Alright, let me try and highlight this column right here. I'm going to come all the way to view. Now when I click on view right up at the top, you notice this is the pane, freezing pane. You can click a pointer. Right there is a freezing pane. You notice this one's a top row and this one's a column. Right, if I click on a column, just like that. What I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to come this particular way by using the left arrow. Alright, you notice I come like this so far. You notice everything gone. You notice you still see the same one, see me? You notice you still end up seeing the column. Right, as much as you come like this, and you go back again. So if you're using a whole lot of data, you can actually use this compare just the same. Alright, if you want to unblock it, now you come back again to the freezing pane. Alright, take up here to unfreeze. Alright, so we're going to look at the column now. So the column now we're going to come like this. You know, not the column, the row. And then we're going to come right up here again, and then we're going to the top row. This time we're going to use the down arrow. Alright. So notice it was in the down arrow. So we're going all the way down. You notice, yes, it's the heading right up here, just the same. Alright. I come up all the way. Just the same. Alright, so you want to unfreeze that. Go back again. Unfreeze. Alright, you want to try this one now, submit. Right there. They're gonna freeze that. Alright, so we're gonna go down with it now. Notice. Alright. So we're gonna unfreeze it. Just the same. Alright, good. Now we're gonna be looking at the other one. Alright, it's editing a pie chart. Alright, so we're gonna do that. Definitely. You come like this, you block it. Now when I block this now, this definitely gonna bring up a chart. So we're gonna click on insert. When I click on insert, this is the pie chart right here. So I'm going to click right here on the pie chart. Now we're going to bring up the Excel stuff right here. Definitely. All right. So if you notice, it is right here. You can actually choose this particular chart right here. And you can come right up here and click. If you notice right here, so that you can add data label right here. You notice it's very important. If you come right here, you show that you can actually change the color. If you come right here, show that you can filter and all of that. So very important. From right here. Otherwise, I can actually click right on this one right here. And I can right click. And right click for each one, I can actually write something right here. I can come down at data label. Just the same. Just same right here. Call out. You notice right there. Still there. And all of that. So definitely, what you can do, definitely you can actually size down this by clicking this right here. Let me, yes, go down like that. You notice? You can actually split it that way, you notice? So this is how we can actually do that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.